man! You beat me again!
Bye, Naren.
See you, Nita! I seriously don't know why boys and girls don't play together much more often. It is so much fun. There is so much more boys and girls could do together if they could just learn to look at each other as fellow human beings. Boys and girls, they are not opposites, they are complementary forces. By working, learning, and playing together, they can help each other grow in ways that neither can achieve alone. Life is like a game of basketball. Alone, we may have strengths, but together, we can achieve something greater. Every pass, every high five, every moment of collaboration builds connection that makes us stronger. The true victory isn't in the score, but in how we grow alongside each other.
Hi, Naren.
Hi, Nita.
Going to class?
No, I was going to meet Venkat sir. You remember the theorem that he did in the last class? I guess he's made some mistake. I was going to get it double checked.
I actually checked with him last night. There is a mistake. But I don't know if you're talking about the same thing.
See, is this what you're talking about?
Oh, yes, that is the one.
Thank you, Nita. You saved my time. Let me post it on our class WhatsApp group. I don't know how many people might have mugged up the wrong answer. Let's go.
What's wrong, Naren? Is something bothering you?
You remember the theorem that we were talking about in Venkat sir's class?
Yes, from last week, right?
I guess he's upset with me because I told the entire class about his mistake. I mean, I was just trying to help.
Yeah, I know. That's why I didn't say anything.
Seriously? If you knew this would happen, you could have just told me, right?
Oh, come on, Naren. I know that you can handle such things well. And plus, think of how many students benefited from your message. Right? I guess I didn't want to scare you.
You'll scare me. You'll scare me. You'll scare me.
Venkat sir can be scary, okay?
Oh. Arey, wow.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I guess you're right. Truth is what really matters. You heard that, right? If you truly believe something to be right, just go ahead and do it. Hey Nita, where are you?
Hi Naren, won't be joining for the game today. I think I told you that I'm going for a movie with Shashi.
How did I forget? I'm so sorry. Have fun. Enjoy. Now who do I play with? Don't want to waste this hour.
Hey Gopal! Hey Naren! What's up?
Hey man, do you want to play with me today? Because Nita has gone somewhere else.
Alright man. But I only have 30 minutes, okay? Actually I've got to meet someone after that.
Come
Okay.
on, let's go.
Let's go.
Life is like a game, and we're all players. You'll team up with people eventually, but sooner or later, they'll head out to play their own game, chasing their own dreams. But that's okay.
Just because your paths cross doesn't mean that they'll stick around forever. That is where detachment comes in. Understanding that people come and people go.
Now, when it comes to relationships, especially between boys and girls, things can get tricky. Guys don't usually get too attached to other guys that they hang out with. I mean, they might be best friends, but it's not the same kind of attachment.
But with girls, that's a whole different story. One smile, one kind gesture, and boom, a guy's mind is spinning. And soon something so trivial becomes a whirlwind of emotions. And generally, it doesn't end well.
Detachment doesn't mean avoiding girls. I mean, you can choose not to talk to them, but if they're on your mind 24/7, then what's the point?
Learn to collaborate, respect each other, and have fun. But without losing yourself in the process. That is the real superpower.
I seriously don't know why boys and girls don't play together much more often. Boys and girls, they are not opposites. They are complementary forces. By working, learning, and playing together, they can help each other grow in ways that neither can achieve alone.